Hey, it's Wes.
And Chanda, and welcome to
DinkLife.
We are at the Detroit History Museum in downtown Detroit, and we locked out, and today is free admission for some reason. Normally it's $10,
No.
but for some reason today there's a car show going on in the parking lot. The parking is $10. The parking lot's full of cars, so you have to park on the street. We lucked out and got a spot. I swear we should play the lottery. Like right on the edge of the street, and then we walked over here and the admission was free. So we just decided to come check this out because it looked pretty cool. And
yeah, we were going to go to the Motown Museum, but it was crazy busy.
oh my God,
So
I don't know what was going on, but
yeah.
there was like 2 lawns right next to each other that were just packed with people, so we couldn't even get close to it. So we decided to come over here, and actually, good thing we did. We lucked out. So we're going to go ahead and take a little tour of this place, and we're going to bring you along with us and see what's happening.
We're heading up to the Detroit Historical Museum. They got a little car show happening on here. Oh, look at all the batteries back there to power the hydraulics. This one has a really nice paint job on it. Pretty fancy. Look at the interior.
I don't know how I feel about the red velvet interior.
It's fancy. Some Impala's really nice. Thing's cool. It's another slammed Impala.
I know I'm usually waiting on my dad to help me out because he's got all the tools.
This one's really cool too.
Yeah, it is.
Got a little mouse up there.
That's quite the paint job.
I like the color scheme on it too. It's really cool. I like that front end. It's beautiful.
I'm not even like a car person.
It's fancy. It's quite a wrap.
Why you would pay that kind of money?
That thing just dropped on the ground right now. These rims are huge on this El Camino. Some wire wheels there.
Tell you why you can't look at it like this. This car was not originally bought like this. So imagine a car that's beat up.
We're gonna get this little beaver man right here. You ready to go?
I'm ready.
Alright.
Oh my God!
It's tough.
Airport!
It's about to pop out. There he is. Mr. Beaverman.
Even the auto workers feel they've got battles to wage, seeking better pay and improved working conditions. They've organized into their government-issued script limits, printed so people can spend and keep commerce flowing.
They had like their own version of Big Chuck and Little John too. Sir Graves Ghastly hosted horror movies.
Interesting. Bowling.
Stand on Woodward Avenue and watch the revolution in body design.
Oh, Boblo Island. Forgot this name completely. I went there actually with my dad once as a kid. There it is. There's the little Caesar man up there too. The Infinity Gauntlet's up there too. Now we're heading into the Motor City music side over here. Letterpress. All the music posters. This was Detroit's first car. Oh, this is neat. They got a little model of a production line right here.
The steering wheel, you can't even get in.
Yeah.
The steering wheel is
So tight, yeah.
It's insane.
It does look very tight.
It is very tight.
It wouldn't fit people nowadays.
30 miles an hour.
There's the Michelin Man and Goodyear down there.
But there's also a Goodyear fan.
It's the first car wash in the nation.
Automated.
Automated one was on Woodward Avenue. It's a cool little logo too. Now we're up in a sports section up here on the second floor.
Got it.
Then they lower the car body down to the frame down there. Not really built like this anymore. Got some military stuff. It's a lot of rivets. That's how many rivets it would take to build a B-24 bomber. That is kind of sad. Now we're into a slavery section. Stone through to freedom. Just getting to Canada.
Activity. That's the man. Partying early today. In the morning, we caught the 12th Street bus. We went right past where I guess everything jumped off there. But at the time, when we left, everything looked normal.
This clock is huge.
Yeah.
There it is. It's really cool. There's Tokyo with an eye. Oh, I guess this clock took 12 years to make. Some Joule stoves. Largest stove plant in the world. It's a cool old model of a ship down there. Oh, and here's the beaver. He's the official symbol of Detroit. Never knew that. And they do have a little gift shop up here at the very front. I like that shirt. I got some Mickey back here too.
All right, everybody, so we just finished up at the Detroit History Museum, which is the building right behind us. It was a good little museum.
Yeah, I was surprised. I mean, for us not even planning to go there, and we were there for a little bit.
2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours in there. It's lovely. It's a nice little museum, and like we said earlier, we managed to get in free today. I'm not sure how we pulled that off. My luck is terrible. But either way, it's only $10 a person, so it's, I think, totally worth $10.
Yeah, it was for sure. Yeah. We learned a lot about Detroit that I really didn't even know about.
Exactly, and then we actually ran into some really nice guys in there. Well, one guy who lived here and he had some friends in from New York who told us even like more history that we didn't know.
Yeah, super nice.
About Detroit, and just a really nice guy. So shout out there. But yeah, I mean, it was a good little place to stop, and I don't even think we knew it was here.
Nope.
So if you're up in the Detroit area and you get a chance to stop by the Detroit History Museum, I say absolutely check it out.
Yeah, I was gonna say, because I don't think this comes up on a lot of top 10 lists.
It doesn't. Yeah. It doesn't, which is weird to me because actually I thought it was really great.
Yeah, it's really well done.
Yeah.
It's very modernized too.
Yeah, I thought it was a great little museum, and as far as things to do in Detroit, it's been one of the best things we've done, I think. So yeah, I mean, if you're here, stop in and check out the Detroit History Museum for sure. And just remember, as always, whatever you decide to do, just get out there and do it.